Okay, so flat feet. We're gonna talk about flat feet. Again, whether you have discomfort or not, if you have flat feet, these exercises will benefit you, okay? So big toe extension is the ability to bring your toe up this way, okay? So when you're walking, your big toe should be the last thing to leave the ground, okay? So big toe extension is very, very important. When people get bunions here and their toe starts to deviate this way, it's sometimes due to a lack of big toe extension, okay? So as you can see in my feet, my toes have started to deviate this way, okay? Sorry about the feet, but that makes it very difficult for me to toe off. So we need to do some stretches for that toe off, okay? The other thing we need to do is some body awareness to get those deep flexors of the foot working to maintain your arm. These are big toe extension exercises to help with that big toe mobility, okay? So what we're gonna do is feet here, and we're gonna go off our big toes. So see how I'm not doing this, okay? So I'm staying nice over. And another one that we can do to stretch our big toe is just something like this. We are gonna work on some exercises for your big toe to restore some mobility there, especially if you're starting to develop some arthritis and degeneration there, okay? So you're gonna pull on your big toe and we're gonna provide some traction through the joint here. So that's really simple, you can do on your own, about 10 to 15 times daily. And what we're gonna do is stretch in flexion. We're gonna stretch in extension. Already given you guys this exercise to do on the wall. So I showed you a stretch to stretch the adductor muscle through here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you a strengthening exercise for the abductor muscle that would keep your toe out this way, okay? So you can use a TheraBand, all right? I have a scrunchie in my hand right now, so I'm just gonna use a scrunchie for you guys, but you can use an elastic band, hair tie. TheraBand would be optimal. But I'm gonna show you a modification, okay? So this is gonna go around both big toe joints, all right? And so what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna separate here and I'm gonna hold this position for about 10 seconds. So see how I'm nice in midline on both sides? Okay, so you might feel it working all through in here, okay? But the scrunchie is pulling the toe out this way, okay? To strengthen that abductor hallucis longus. So you're gonna hold it for about 10 seconds and then you can relax, give it a rest. And then we're gonna hold it for another 10 seconds. You can start to do is move through different ranges. So working the abductor hallucis with flexing the toes, keeping that in midline. So I really, really feel it through here. Okay. All right. And then we can also do it through extension.